Hi everyone, in this video I will going to solve this Nice exponential equation. The equation we have 9 to the power of root of x is equals to root of 27 to the power of x. Here we need to find out the value of x. So let's get started the solution. In the first step, I was going to write this 9 in the form of power 3 to the power of 2 and whole to the power of root of x is equals to 27 to the power of x, and this is under root. Now next here I will going to apply the radical rule, that is n root of a can be written as a to the power of 1 over n, and here root is always equals to raised to the power of 1 over 2. So this equation turns to 3 to the power of, here the powers are going to be multiplied, 3 to the power of 2 root of x is equals to 27 to the power of x and whole to the power of 1 over 2. Now again here the powers are going to be multiplied. So this equation turns to 3 to the power of 2 root of x is equals to 27 to the power of x over 2. Now, in the next step, I will going to write this 27 in the form of power. Here, I will going to write 3 to the power of 2 root of x is equals to 3 to the power of 3 and whole to the power of x over 2. Again, the powers are going to be multiplied here. So, I will going to write 3 to the power of 2 root of x is equals to 3 to the power of 3x over 2. Now here we have the same basis, so we can equate the powers. 2 root of x is equals to 3x over 2. Here I'm going to do the cross multiplication. So the next expression we will get 2 times 2 root of x is equals to 3x, and here this will be equals to 4 root of x is equals to 3x. Now here I will going to raise square both the side. 4 root of x whole to the power of 2 is equals to 3x and whole to the power of 2. Now here I am going to apply the exponential rule, that is a times b whole to the power of m can be written as a to the power of m times b to the power of m. We're going to apply here this exponential rule. So the equation we will get 4 to the power of 2 times root of x and whole to the power of 2 is equals to 3 to the power of 2 and x squared. Now here this and this get cancelled, and this will turn to 4 times 4 is equals to 16. And here we get only x is equals to 3 times 3 is equals to 9 and x squared. The next step, I will going to take this 16x to the right hand side. So I'm going to write 9x squared minus 16x is equals to 0. Now here I will going to take common factor of x. So here 9x is remaining minus 16 is equals to 0. Now here we get the two cases. X is equals to 0 and the other one we have 9x minus 16 is equals to 0. Now here I will going to take this 16 to the right hand side, so it will turn to positive 16. Now here this 9 is multiplying, so it will going to be divided with the side. This and this get cancelled. Here the x value we find out, that is x is equals to 16 over 9. So here we get the 2x value. The first one we have, that is 0. And the other we have, that is 16 over 9. Now I will going to verify my answer. Equation we have 9 to the power of root of x is equals to root of 27 to the power of x. Now here first I will going to take the x value, that is 0. 9 to the power of root of 0 is equals to root of 27 to the power of 0. And according to the exponential rule, a to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So here I was going to write 9 to the power of 0 is equals to, this equals to 1, root of 1. And here this 9 to the power of 0 is equals to 1 is equals to 1. So the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of x, that is 0, is absolutely correct. Now we're going to verify my other x value. The equation we have 9 to the power of root of x is equals to root of 27 to the power of x. And the x value here I'm going to take, that is 16 over 9. So we're going to plug in here the x value, 9 to the power of root of 16 over 9 is equals to root of 27 to the power of 16 over 9. Now here I will going to simplify it further. Here I will going to write 9 to the power, and the root of 16 we have, that is 4, and root of 9 we have, that is 3. Is equals to, this I will going to write in the form of power 3 to the power of 3, and this is under root, and whole to the power of 16 over 9. Here this will be reduced to 3. So the next expression we will get, that is, this I will going to write in the form of power 3 to the power of 2 and whole to the power of 4 over 3 is equals to, here I will going to write 3 to the power of 16 over 3, and this is under root. The powers are going to be multiplied, and here I will going to apply the radical rule, that is n root of a is equals to a to the power of 1 over n, and root is always equals to raised to the power of 1 over 2. So this I will going to apply, and that equation turns to 3 to the power of 8 over 3 is equals to 3 to the power of 16 over 3 and whole to the power of 1 over 2. This will going to be reduced by 8. So here we will get 3 to the power of 8 over 3 is equals to 3 to the power of 8 over 3. So the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of x, that is 16 over 9, is also absolutely correct. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do hit the like button, and please support my channel by subscribing it.